In this video, I'll show you how to add a quick and easy flash transition in DaVinci Resolve using one of the built-in fusion transitions. First, make sure you're in the Edit page. Then, check that the two clips you want to transition between are placed side by side on your timeline. Now, go to the top left and click on the Effects tab. Inside the Effects panel, scroll down and expand the Toolbox section. Then open Video Transitions. Scroll through the list until you find the Fusion Transitions category. Look for the one called Brightness Flash. Click and drag this transition directly between your two clips on the timeline. To customize how the flash looks, select the transition so it turns red in the timeline. Then, head over to the Inspector panel on the right. Here, you'll see sliders that control both the duration and the intensity of the flash. Just click and drag these sliders to adjust them until you get the look you want. That's it! You've now added a clean, punchy flash transition between your clips, all within a few clicks.